Tell
I'm
her.
sorry.
Say, Grandma.
Silly Grandma.
I'm silly. Oh. This is Sasha. Yeah, this is Sasha. Oh, yeah.
This is for me, Papa.
Yeah. Do you want to come sit over here and open it?
Yeah.
You hope so.
I was so
What are
busy.
you looking at me for? What are
Okay,
you
open,
looking at
open
me
up.
for?
Well, what did Kai get?
Hey, just,
I get this. Little, I love this one. Hush push.
Yeah,
This
cute.
one.
hey, is that yours?
And little t-shirt match with this.
Oh, good.
Look it. Isn't it handsome looking?
Uh-huh.
What?
Hi, Mom. Do it later. Let's do the kids, mostly.
Look at Sean. Isn't it so cute?
Oh,
Little
Kai,
t-shirt.
you're gonna be so handsome in that.
Handsome boy. I like you.
Oh, like that's for you.
Oh,
this
how's it
for
going,
you,
Sasha?
not for you.
Who's this from? Is that from Grandma and Grandpa?
That's for you.
I know
That's
it.
for you.
What is it?
This is for you, Grandma.
That's for you.
It's for you, Sasha.
Grandma and Papa.
What is it?
Look at Grandma.
What is it? Oh my goodness, show me. What is it?
Dora and the Explorer.
Go show Daddy.
It's a game.
Let me see. What is it?
Open.
This is really neat.
It's a tree for her.
It's a game.
Game and everything there.
It's a video game.
Yay.
Give it
It's
a
a-
present right there.
it's